So today is the field test for the Maxcom 7E. So this time we're using it as a walkie-talkie, and so its own telescopic aerial is going to be put on top of it and the battery pack applied. We've got 9 throwaway batteries and 1 dummy, so we've got 13.5 volts.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, just testing one on.
Roger, you are. So as ever on the field tests, Mr. Chippy will call me when he gets to destination from the mobile, and he'll get out and we'll hopefully talk to him from the hand portable in question.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy, in position top of the hill.
Roger, got you in position at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy, are you receiving?
Yeah, Tango 21 receiving loud and clear.
Yeah, roger that, move on to
Roger. Okay, so that's 1.5 miles.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, at Scratchy Corner.
Roger, got you on the mobile at Scratchy Corner, and I'll call you on this one after 20 seconds. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippy. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippy. Are you receiving, over? Okay, so I think you're probably still getting into position. I know you're there. You weren't readable. It's signal readability 1, over. Now I can't communicate with you at that, so perhaps you'd like to go on to the next one, over. So 2 Scratchy at Scratchy Corner.
Tango 21, Alex 2 at Wilsford level crossing. Mr. Chippy's just about to get out of the car.
Roger, got you at Wilsford level crossing. Yeah, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy, just about receiving you. Well, at least I can hear you saying how's that, so yes, I can read you readability 2, over. Yes, and I think that'll be the last one, over. Well, nice to hear Mark, who's in the mobile there, ZX2. Yeah, it's just readable. That's the 3 mile point, and I think that's where it's going to be. So they're going on to the next point at Kelby, and I don't think it's going to happen.
Tango 21 from Mrs. Alex 2, just at the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippy. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippy. Are you receiving, over? Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, nothing received. Tango 21 Mr. Chippy, you better get back in the car and come back to base.
Yeah, okay, this is from ZX2, yeah, it's coming back to the car, and we'll see you back at base, over.
Okay, well that's our conclusion, 3 miles. Yes, so it was, you could communicate with it at Wilsford, not at Scratchy Corner. So the difference here is that with the Realistic, it's got those range boost side panels where your body becomes part of the ground plane. It's not a gimmick, it works. And that's a 3.5 watt radio. This is a 4 watt radio, and it's got only half the range. It's in a plastic case. So this is the difference. So it's 60 centimetre aerial and no ground plane has restricted its range. But it's still a very useful tool. We saw how well it worked when we did the field test for it as a emergency kit with its own mag mount on a vehicle, and it worked 6 miles and it was loud and clear. It was a walkie-talkie. We've come to conclusion it's 3 miles. So that's been a very interesting test, because the Maxcom 7E was a set which I'd never had in for service before, and the whole Maxcom 7E has been new to me and an interesting project. So there you are, Maxcom 7E 1982. They were $79.99, very versatile piece of kit. There's nothing wrong with a 3 mile range. That's great. Thank you for watching.